Hi, I'm Amit Sinha. I'm assistant professor at Department of Aquaculture and Fisheries. I'm specialized in water quality. So today I'm going to provide a brief demonstration regarding one of my ongoing projects, which focus on the potential application of bentonite to mitigate waterborne iron toxicity in aquaculture system. So, well, we all know that the elevated level of iron in the culture system is a significant water quality issue in a number of countries because iron can induce toxic effect on fish. So till date, there are several strategies that has been proposed to mitigate the iron in the aquaculture system that include permanganate installation of water fountains, aeration, and the microbubble generators. But many of these strategies are seen as a partial solution because only a marginal level of iron can be reduced by this method. So as such, there is a demand for finding a safe and an effective compound that can remove the iron from the water and can also mitigate the toxicity caused by the iron in the aquaculture system. So in this research line, currently we are testing the potential of bentonite clay to mitigate the iron toxicity in a fish culture system. So what is bentonite? So the bentonite is a clay that are naturally present and are non-toxic to the fish. And this bentonite are chemically made up of aluminum silicate. It has a high chelating agent and it is a high chelating agent and it has a high cation exchange. And because of this potential, the bentonite can bind and remove the different minerals or ions present in the water. So based upon this background, we are conducting the experiment currently in our aquaculture facilities to see whether the application of bentonite directly in the water can reduce the iron load in the water. So what we have found is that when you add 0.2 gram bentonite in the fish culture system, it can not only reduce the iron load from the water but can also reduce the iron content or iron accumulation that generally we see in the fish gill, in the liver, in the muscles. So definitely, bentonite seems to be an effective compound that can mitigate the iron toxicity. However, in outdoor aquaculture pond, it's kind of not feasible to add a large amount of bentonite into the fish pond. So for that, our research, we are conducting the research to understand if we can incorporate bentonite directly into the feed as a strategies to reduce the iron toxicity. So we have tested different dose of iron in the feed, like 1%, 2%, up to 5%, and we found when we incorporate almost 2% of bentonite in the feed, it can reduce the iron accumulation in the fish body. So definitely, it seems that bentonite is a very attractive alternative to mitigate iron toxicity in aquaculture system. So with this, I would like to thank you everyone for listening to me. And again, I'm Dr. Amit Sinha, Assistant Professor at Aquaculture and Fisheries. Thank you.